this is going to be a KFC Copycat. This is supposed to be the 11 herbs and spices that goes into this. And you can find that on the internet really easy. And I'll try to put it in the description of what I used. We're not going to pressure cook it. We are going to deep fry it. So hopefully everything will work out. Now this is what it looks like after I get everything mixed together. And roughly it's got salt, black pepper, white pepper, garlic, ginger, some of the others, but I'll put a list off the top of my head. I just can't remember totally. So we'll be back. All right, we have our chicken here. I've got 2 legs and 2 thighs in here. I have been marinating them in buttermilk for about 3 hours. I'm going to mix up our flour, add our 11 herbs and spices to it. Oh, I love KFC original recipe. Hey, we're going to give this a whirl. See what happens. Like I said, I'm not going to pressure cook it, but hopefully it'll turn out about as well as it would if I had. Who knows? We know it's not going to be the same, but we hope it tastes great. We'll be back. All right, here we have 2 cups of flour, and we're going to put in these 11 herbs and spices. Then we're going to mix it up. Is this really the 11 herbs and spices? We will never know. But as I said, I will list it in the description of what I used. All right, we got our flour mixture with all of our ingredients. Now let's start putting things on together. And we're going to get this, and we're going to let it drain as much as we can off of there. Get it out of this buttermilk. And then we're going to drop it in here to kind of just cover it over. Push it down in there. Roll it. Ah, that's looking good. Looky there. We want to make sure it's really covered good. And we're going to shake off excess. Put some more down. I think that will work. Then we're going to set it on here. Let that kind of soak in to the buttermilk that's on there. Take this one. We're going to drain it off much as we can. Kind of getting it off there. Put this in our flour mixture with all the ingredients. Oh, looky there, it's looking good, looking good. Let it sit there just a second. All right, I hope I have enough oil in there. Hope it does the job. We're going to let this heat up to about 350 degrees, and then we'll add our chicken in. And right here we have our chicken ready to go in. Hopefully everything works out fine. We'll be back. Well, I believe they're done. Let that drain a little bit, and I'll put them over on the tray. Well, I love KFC chicken, so I thought I'd try to make up a batch of Copycat. I tried all the 11 herbs and spices it calls for and the amount, but it was not the same as the kernels. No, I did not pressure cook it. I just deep fried it. Would pressure cooking this help the flavor? I'm sure it would, but it should still closely resemble the taste at least. It did taste good, and I had the temperature of the oil between 325 and 350, which what I've seen it recommend. It may be different than that. It was juicy. The texture of the skin resembled KFC's, but I think it called for a little too much paprika, which gives it the color, I believe. I did need a little bit more oil in the pan to cover the chicken. That would help in the cooking and keeping the temperatures right internally. And at the end, my opinion is no, it did not look like KFC. It did not taste like KFC. It was juicy and it was good, but definitely not the same. I will keep trying. Well, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing.